Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Grammarly to LinkedIn for stronger outreach messages step by step clearly. To connect Grammarly to LinkedIn for stronger outreach messages, start by ensuring you have a Grammarly account. If you don't have one, visit the Grammarly website to sign up for free. Once your account is set up, download the Grammarly browser extension. This extension is compatible with most major browsers, including Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. After installing the extension, open your browser and log into your Grammarly account. Next, click on the Grammarly icon typically located in your browser's toolbar. Once logged in, navigate to LinkedIn and access your profile. As you start composing a message or post on LinkedIn, Grammarly will automatically activate. You will see the Grammarly icon in the text box where you are writing. Click on the icon to view suggestions, corrections, and enhancements for your text. Grammarly will help improve your writing by checking for grammar, punctuation, and style. Make necessary adjustments based on Grammarly's feedback to enhance your outreach messages. Additionally, ensure that your writing tone aligns with your intended message. Continue to draft and refine your outreach messages with Grammarly's guidance. Once completed, you can send your messages directly through LinkedIn. For best results, review Grammarly suggestions each time you write a new message. Using Grammarly will help you present polished and professional outreach messages on LinkedIn. Remember to stay consistent in leveraging this tool for all your communications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.